Hey, this is Adventure Dog from Los Angeles doing my daily recap on AMD. And usually, when we would see all of these trades, we would think I am over trading, revenge trading, fear of missing out. Look at this on the 5 minute. Look at all these. But today it wasn't. Today, all of these trades were great trades, other than one little loser that was a dumb trade that I shouldn't have taken. Everything else was great. And you know what I did? I did exactly what Andrew teaches us. I kept it simple. I looked for ABCD patterns and I combined that with my own use of volume to see where the buyers and sellers are inside the strategies. And I took the trades that were like above VWAP for a long, above MA, so there wasn't very much resistance on the upside until I saw a reversal pattern. And on the daily chart, I noticed, look how strong this is. No wick, no wick, gap up. There is a very, very high likelihood this is going up. So I am bull biased from the beginning. So let's look at these trades. So we've got these 5 minute candles create this pull right here. Okay, so I'm seeing this pull and I'm thinking it's going up. Okay, it's going to continue to go up. It broke through VWAP, it broke through the MAs. I just need a good entry with a good risk reward. Okay, so I see this. Oh, look at this 1 minute. I used to be the trader that would look only at the 1 minute and I would see this huge increased volume, which I still use, but I use it in the correct way now. Now I think this is a reversal and I would short here. This is not a reversal. Just because increased volume in the first red candle, sometimes it can be an indicator of reversal if it's not going against a 5 minute, against a 15 minutes, against a daily, right? Everything is bullish. This is just people taking profit. That's all it is. Consolidation, I see that. And then I see this triple bottom, increase volume. So the bulls have come back to take over the volume. I see absolutely great risk reward. And so I buy right at the close of this candle, right there. And I put my stop right here. So I'm risking 7 cents on this trade. Just 7 cents. It's going up. I get out my first entry at about 3-to-1 risk reward. Risk reward was at 3-to-1, so I'm feeling great already. Then I get about a 4-to-1 on my next exit up there. And I'm thinking I am in the driver's seat here. Everything's looking great. Everything's looking great. And then look at this, okay? Look at this. On the 1 minute, we've got an A, B, C, D pattern, and I took it. Okay, that's pattern number 1. Now look at this. Got my new A, B up there, C, and I'm still in the original trade long, and I add to my long on a second ABCD pattern on the 1 minute because they're going with the 5 minute, with the daily chart, the 15 minutes looking bullish. It's riding up the MAs. I get the volume. It's the same pattern a second time. Exact same pattern, guys. And I enter in long again. And then I scale out right here because I see these wicks right there, so kind of pushing it down. And this AMD just doesn't move a ton, right? We know it's a little bit of a slow mover. So I get out here, I see this potential double top, which coincides with this level. So I get out right there as well. Okay. And then, so I get out 100% here on a hotkey mistake. I didn't mean to. So I was like, oh, why did I do that, right? Little hotkey mistake, no problem though. Here was my one bad trade. I see this, finally increasing volume, and I try to short here, and I get stopped out right away. Super small loser, but just a dumb trade. Very dumb trade. But then I get the reversal. I took the long up on the ABCD patterns, and now I see this candle as a reversal, and then with this confirmation with the increased volume continuing, it's the first time we've got 2 red candles with increasing volume, and it's going down. I don't think it's going to bounce back up off this MA right now. I really don't think so. Okay. This is the 957 candle. This is where it gets really cool. 958. So 959. So I'm short here, right? I get short there with my stop here. So that's my risk. Okay. Now when I short again right here, when this 5-minute candle doji breaks down, I'm thinking it's a short, not a huge short, because I'm above VWAP, I'm above the MAs, but I think it's going to go down, and I have very little risk because of there's no spread, there's no slippage on this stock. The risk is only about 10 cents. I'm already having a great day, so I'm feeling good, not over trading. So I go short again right there. Okay. And then I exit right at this level right here. Because I'm above everything, I don't feel like this is going to be a huge winner. And I get out 100% right there. So now I'm out. Now let's move to the 5 minutes. Because now look at this. I am doing exactly the same thing over and over again. A, B. I'm thinking, oh my God, it's still above VWAP. C, I see this candle. So the high here is 67. I need a break. As soon as it breaks, the high here is 2175. This high hits 2176. Okay? So I buy along here, and it doesn't shoot up right away. It goes down, and I have my stop right around this MA here, okay? I have my stop at 69, honestly. The low here was 70. The low here was 70. I thought, all right, my stop will be at 69. Look at this. It can't break the lows sometimes. If it's gonna go up, it can't break the lows. Once it breaks this one again, I add to my position right there. And then I scale out a large part here because I'm not super confident in what's going on here from the price action. And then I exit completely right there. And then I am done. Done, done, done. Now check out what's happening here on the 15 minutes. Look at this. I had to leave, so I couldn't take this trade. A, B, C, chip, D. And look what happens. Look at that. Look at this. A, B, C, boop, D. It just kept doing ABCD patterns the whole day, guys. It was awesome on every time frame. A, B, C, D. Boom. Oh, this was I'm very happy. So thank you to Andrew for teaching us these ABCD patterns and just reaffirming them. Thanks for everyone else who's doing these recaps so I can watch everyone else and they talk about ABCD patterns. So I hope someone will learn from this and looking for the ABCD patterns when they go in your directions, when you have they're going in the daily direction, they're going with the 15-minute, they're going with the 5-minute. You know, everything is screaming at you to do the same thing. Those are the great trades.